it goes far.
Yeah, we haven't tested around it.
Oh shit! Oh. It just turns. Whoa. Shit.
Oh, where you going?
Whoa.
It reminds me of the...
Wow.
That's what Dad's been waiting for. There it is. Oh man, who's gonna get that?
Casewell.
It's a kayak trip.
Shit.
Whoa, you didn't go that far.
Oh shit. It's so fast.
Wow.
Easy.
Oh.
I like how it just flips over. It's so cute.
Oh. Is that full throttle then?
Yeah.
Wow.
So different than all the bumpy stuff. The feisty ones.
Ooh.
It's like a flying fish.
It's got a good rooster tail on it
Yeah.
for such a little thing. Oh shit. It has a nice turning radius.
Uh-oh. Oh, Dad's getting brave out there.
It has a long range. I'm clenching my butt cheeks the whole time. I don't know. Because it's like intense.
Relax. Is it over?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just wanted, I don't know how long it lasts.
Are we?
Running, I mean, we were running
He's
really
down.
hard out there.
He's